What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Travis is with us today, and I really thought we had bad news, but let's say clickbait. Not really, but I thought we had bad news because of the block. If I have pictures from before, I'll post it on the screen there. But yeah, I fixed it, saved it, and it's good to go. So yesterday, Travis and I, we cleaned it. You know, everything we did with the famous stream over there, we did it with this one, but even better. And now, since I saved it, I really thought we lost. Season 2 wasn't gonna happen, but it's happening right now. This is episode 1 of season 2. So, like I said, if I have pictures, I'll post them in the screen. But I thought we had a bad block because when I took the pistons off, as you can see here, I already took the engine apart. Took the pistons off, and they're in pretty bad shape, to be honest. No side. And that's the head. Everything is there. I mean, everything's taken off. Yep. So when I took all the pistons off, I looked down the cylinder wall on cylinder number 1 or 4. I'll tell you in a second. Cylinder number 4. My nail was getting caught. So I was like, oh man, I have to take it to bore. That's gonna be expensive. I said, that's it. Season 2 ain't gonna happen because these engines are very, very expensive here in Germany. So I said, let me try to hone it. So when, like I said, cylinder 4 nail was getting caught, I was like, we got scratched, we got dents, we got everything in there. I guess that I was like, freaking cylinder walls they rusted out, but that wasn't the case. I honed it out, and everything came off, and now we're gonna look at it right now. Everything, as you can see, is painted in black because we are doing this engine in black. So we got to get a light to see the cylinders.
Hold up.
Travis is gonna get the light. This cylinder right here was the one that scared the freak out of me. But as you see, maybe you can see a little bit, I honed them out, cleaned them out, and I even cleaned the deck. So this one, as you can see, the rust left a line, but my nail doesn't get stuck. Anything is smoothed down the hole. So that line you see right there, hold this right there. Let's see if I can show it with my finger, or in that line you see right there, that's where the rust was. But I passed my hand in there, and my nail, nothing. I don't hear my nails getting caught or anything, so the block is good.
You got a slap?
Huh?
Piston slap right here.
It had piston slap. Well, the pistons. Actually, it didn't have too much slap because the pistons wasn't scratched or anything like the other ones. But the black skirt is gone. So there was no piston slap on this one, I guess. Let's say that. See? Just the black stuff is gone. So now we are just going to clean the head. because I was trying to get a K28 head, but here in Germany it's really hard and really expensive to get a K28 head. So we're just gonna use the head. We're gonna put Super Tech valve springs, titanium retainers with new keepers, new valve seals. We're gonna clean everything like we did with the stream. The cams, I'm not too sure if I could use them again. I don't know why I did this, but so yeah. I'll say that again soon. So I don't know, if I'm gonna use these. And the reason why you don't see the cam gear here is this engine is a K20A1. Let's see if we can see it here. We gotta get a light. It doesn't look too. This engine is a K20A1. See if I can. There we go. It's a K20A1. It's not a K20A2. As you can see, it's not true VTEC. Has it only on the intake side. So, and then the experience with the stream, I was like, okay, everything's good. But when I took the valve cover off, I saw this. Let's just focus. It has an RBC cam gear. The Type R cam gear. So I'm thinking that maybe this engine needed more torque because it was automatic. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Why would this engine have a Type R cam gear? But now I don't have to just spend the money to get that cam gear because the engine has it already. I saved money on that one. But I'm gonna see, because the same thing as the block, these are, see that? That's what the block had, but I can't hold this. That's pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to find new cans because they are pretty bad, and I'm thinking they have a lot of rust.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, this, I don't think we can save these. So I might have to get new cans. And that one is really bad.
Oh, this one.
Holy crap, this one is really bad.
Oh,
Turn it around. No, this one is worse, look.
Oh, Jesus Lord.
Damn, that's a lot of wear. Well, I guess new cams it is. So, guys, I'm gonna take that head apart, take the valves out, springs. I gotta take the VTEC off as well because it's still on there. As you can see, the VTEC solenoid is still in there. I'll take this head apart and start cleaning. So, you guys will be in a time lapse. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we have everything prepped for painting now. This is clean, this is clean. If you saw in the clip before, we just put it there on top of a plastic and we blast it all out with the
Pressure washer.
pressure washer. There you go, thanks. Now we are going to paint the head and the tummy cover. We started it, but please just remember that it wasn't recording. So let's do this, make it look good. And yes, I see, like the stream, this is going to be new, this is going to be new. I left it for a reason. Here I took it off. We're going to clean that part. It doesn't matter. It'll work, all work out. You will see. Yeah, this thing is going to be black. Completely black. Because we already have a name for the car. I'm not mentioning it yet. You guys can guess in the comments if you want, which nobody comments, but
Soon.
Yeah, I know the head is not covered. I'm not worried about it. Right now, all that get clean.
Oh, it already looks 1,000 times better from here.
And that's just one coat. You see, I gotta do the bottom part of this one. There, all that's getting clean. Ooh, my finger. You see, I missed a spot there. Yeah, I'm doing this side, I don't care. On this side, you can see it. That's just first coat. Alright, do these and clean the top. I care about this here. All this is getting clean again anyways. Well, the top is. All this is just mocked up in there. It's not. Just one head bolt here with a, oh yeah, I forgot what they call.
The aligners.
Those, damn it, I always forget something. There we go.
If it's not one, it's the other.
Yep, that's one coat. Now we're just gonna wait till everything dries up and keep going. Light. Around here.
I can see a mist spot
Yep.
way up down there.
See, that's why I moved it. Well, it's painted. You let it dry a little bit, then take all the tape off. It should be painted. It should be good to go. I did about 2.5 coats all around. Yeah, that engine's gonna look really good in black. Yeah, all the gasket surfaces, they're gonna get clean with paint stripper. when everything is dry. That's how you do it. So you don't waste money and tape or anything. You take paint stripper and all the gasket surfaces. So yep, that'll be it for today, guys. Engine's gonna come out good. I got a lot of stuff for it. This is gonna make minimum 200 horsepower. Minimum. I'm not trying to make no less than that. NA. I'm talking about with turbo or something. Nope. NA. Minimum 200. Going for more, but we'll see. If everything works out, something is on the works to get some parts. We will see how that goes. That'll be it for today, guys. It might be a short video, it might be a long video, I don't know. We will see. So just like, share, and subscribe, please. We gotta get this channel growing. We're not sharing this channel enough. We're not liking the channel. It's running right there. Freak, right here.
Yeah.
The paint. But yeah, let's share the channel, let's comment, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe please. Let's get it growing. And comment down below. Comment down below so I can get better content. I want to get this growing so guys like me or guys like Travis that wants to learn about cars, they can learn. It's almost everything's the same. The basics is the same. Piston rods, crank, valves, valve springs, spark plugs. All that is the same in every car, no matter 2, 4, 6, 8 cylinder, 10, 12 cylinder. It's
16.
all the same. It's just they put it in a different way. So let's get this channel growing. Just hit that like button or the down button. No matter what, it helps. Still help the channel. Helps the channel. So just like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode of the swap.